What's going on, guys? My name is Lieben, and yes, I am back. It's been about 2 months since I've done a video, but that's only been because here in Iowa it's been like 20 degrees for like the past 2 months, and I do most of these videos outside and it gets really cold, so I wasn't trying to be outside working on the car in like 20-degree weather. But anyways, today it's about like 40 degrees, so I thought why not go ahead and try to get some work done on my Z. So today what I'm going to be trying to do is prepping this front lip for some paint, and hopefully maybe even install it today too. But right now what I'm going to go ahead and do is start by actually just cleaning the spoiler off. And I'm not going to be using any like fancy cleaner or anything like that. I'm just going to go ahead and use acetone, put it on like some paper towels, and then go ahead and just clean it on there. Alright, so let's get to it.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat it.
Alright, now that I went ahead and cleaned it with acetone, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to primer it. And hopefully it does not rain because it's been cloudy all day. But I'm still going to go ahead and go for it.
Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Alright, so the first coat is on. I'm just going to go ahead and wait a couple minutes and then go ahead and continue giving the next few coats. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like about after 5 or 6 coats that I have done right here. There's still some little blemishes, but what I'm going to go ahead and do is actually wait for this to dry and then just wet sand it again, hopefully just smooth it out before putting the base coat on it. Right now it's about 12:30. I'm not sure if this is gonna dry in time for me to be able to actually sand it and start painting it, because right now of course the sunlight goes away pretty quick. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just wait here, wait for it to dry, and then maybe just have to paint it another day. So I was able to speed up the heating process actually, as you guys can tell, by using the heat gun right here. Now I don't know if that's actually gonna damage it, but I mean, I guess I'll find out in the long run if like heating it too fast or like not letting it cure by itself is gonna damage it. But I mean, it's just a front splitter. If something happens, I'll just repaint it on later on. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding it. I'll probably won't show you guys that part. I'll probably just show you guys once it's already sanded and ready to be painted. Alright, so now that I have gone ahead and sanded the lip, I'm going to go ahead and start getting the paint mix so we can go ahead and put the base coat on. Alright guys, so this is going to be my 3rd time painting a panel on a car. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Wish me luck.
Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
the base coats on there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the clear coat on. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. It started raining outside, and as you guys, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's some like little water drops on there. Once it fully dries, I'm just gonna see if I can hopefully buff them out. But I mean, besides that, I like how it turned out, honestly. Obviously it would have been better if the weather would have cooperated and it wouldn't have started raining, but I mean, I'm pretty sure we can fix that. And obviously because of the rain too, I won't be able to put it on today, so you're gonna have to wait for another day to do that. But besides that, that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next one.